Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on cumulative frequency worksheets. So this video presents a couple of worksheets on the topic of cumulative frequency, and there are a number of questions involved for each worksheet. If you're not sure how to proceed, we've had a lesson on this very topic. So all you do when you get to the last slide, you can go there straight away if you need help. Click on the link, it will take you directly to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this video on for about, or this particular slide for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide, but you can pause this slide for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. I'll leave it on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and you can click on the link if you need to go to the lesson for help.